This is a quick video showing you a hack I did for repairing my seal or replacing my seal on my twist and seal hatch. Uh, if you try to order one of those from Hobie, they're quite expensive. So what I did was I took the lid from a 5-gallon bucket and I pulled the seal out. That's actually a hollow tube. I used white just for demonstration purposes, and the thing worked great. This is one of my seals. If you look at the how it protrudes just a little bit, it's almost the exact same size as the O-ring that goes to Hobie. You see right here where I connected. The only thing is I would suggest is cut your angle the other way. I cut mine from the outside, and but this seal has worked for over a year, and I haven't had any problems with it. I don't get any water inside, and it actually closes pretty tight. So make it a little larger than you need it, and then start cutting this end like a 1/4 inch at a time until you got a nice snug fit. I didn't use any adhesive or anything on this end. I mean, I didn't have a problem with mine, and I used it for over a year that way. I've since sold that kayak, and I did point out that the O-ring on it was a DIY O-ring. Hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and send me $1.